In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your workspace, find the task you're working on, and assign the right person, so work moves forward without confusion. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in. You'll want to be in the correct workspace and folder where your projects live. If you're part of multiple teams, double check that you're in the right space, since assignments are tied to the workspace you're currently viewing. Also, make sure you have permission to assign tasks. Most members do, but if you don't see the option, your admin may have limited it. Next, locate the specific task you want to assign. You can browse through your space, folder, and list, or use the search bar to jump straight to it. Open the task to bring up the task details panel. This is where you'll see fields like the task title, description, due dates, and importantly, the assignee area. Now, look for the assignee field. Depending on your view, you might see a label that says assignee, a profile avatar, or a small plus icon next to a silhouette. Click that area to open the assignment menu. You'll see a list of people who are already part of your workspace. If the person you need is visible, simply click their name to assign them to the task. You'll usually see their avatar appear on the task right away, confirming the assignment. If you don't see them listed, use the search box to type their name or enter their email address associated with your ClickUp workspace. As soon as they appear in the results, select them. If your plan and settings allow multiple assignees, you can select more than one person the same way. Keep in mind that assigning multiple people is useful for collaborative tasks, but it's best to be clear about who is the primary owner to avoid confusion. Once the assignee is added, they'll receive a notification and the task will show up in their personal views. At this point, you can move on and repeat the same process for any other tasks that need an assignee. Open each task, click the assignee area, and choose the right person. Consistency helps your team stay aligned and keeps your project timelines on track. That's it. You've opened your ClickUp account, found the task you need, clicked the assignee field, added the right person by selecting their name or entering their email, and repeated the process for other tasks as needed. Now your tasks have clear owners, and your team can take action immediately.